Hey guys, I'm Cassiopeiart and today I'm going to be drawing a canary. I'm holding this weird because my camera ran out of battery towards the end of the drawing. Not much was cut out, it was pretty much finished except I added details when I didn't realize it ran out of battery. So you have that to look forward to. That's why I'm holding it this way because my charger is super bad and it falls out if you don't hold it in. Or you have to prop it up if you're charging it overnight or something. And it was difficult getting over here, but I shifted over. I'm on my bed because I can't stand. I'm filming this right after the one of Tully, so yeah. I'm wearing my Doctor Who coat because Fizz was scratching it constantly, and I had to put it on so that he would stop. And it's comfortable, so whatever. Okay, anyways, I hope you enjoy this video.
My head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
So, do you like it? If you do, be sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over